In this video, we are going to walk through transferring a case. The difference between transferring and assigning a case is that a transfer must either be accepted or rejected to be able to take over ownership of the child's record. An assignment is essentially a forced exception, and this typically is done by case managers. In a transfer, this could be because a child is relocated or going to another agency for service provision. In order to do a transfer in the system, what you'll need to do is ensure that you first have consent of the child. Once consent has been provided, then a transfer can be completed. In order to do a transfer, go into the case itself, verify that the transfer has been consented to, and then you can go ahead and go into the Actions button to transfer the case. Once this is selected, you can now answer the questions. If this is a person who is not using the CPIMS Plus, then you select this box. If they are using the CPIMS Plus, then continue on to the next question. Once you're able to proceed with the transfer, and this is a CPIMS Plus user, you first need to check that they have consented to the transfer. You can then select the agency who is receiving the child, as well as the recipient. You can also add any notes. Once the transfer selections are completed, select Transfer. Once this case is successfully transferred, this now must be accepted or rejected by the caseworker who this has been transferred to. I'm going to log in as that caseworker to review it. Here on the caseworker's dashboard, you can now see that the transfer is waiting in acceptance. To be able to see this case itself, you can go ahead and click on One Transfers Awaiting Acceptance. This will redirect you to that case that has been transferred to you. Once you're on this case record, go under the Record Information form, go into Transfers and Assignments. Here you can see whether or not it's been transferred or assigned to you. In the three vertical dots, you can here now accept or reject this transfer. Once accepted, the child is now under your ownership for case management. You can also reject this, and it'll be then sent back to the person who initially transferred this case to you.